So I took the atmospheric trust litigation approach to Dr. James Hansen, who was then head of the Goddard Institute for Space Studies at NASA, the preeminent climate scientist in this country and one of the leading ones in the world. And I said to Dr. Hansen, can you develop a prescription for the planet that tells us how much carbon dioxide or greenhouse gas reduction is necessary to achieve each year to get us back to energy balance in time? Can you give us a prescription that will prevent runaway heating? A prescription that lawyers could take to the courtrooms, to the state legislatures, to the city councils. And he said, yes, I'll do it, but it's going to take me a while, a year or two. And he assembled a team of the leading scientists in the world and created such a prescription. The Hansen prescription calls for a pathway of emissions reduction that takes us down to climate equilibrium eventually, right after the end of the century. Right now, if we started today, this prescription would call for 7% global emissions reduction per year. That is a tall order, but it's achievable. Nobody would look back 50 years from now and say we shouldn't do it. Because if we don't do it, it becomes nearly impossible within a few years' time. So you see, we have a closing window on us. And if we wait, the prescription becomes much tougher to comply with, because that number 7% goes up to 15% by 2020. And that may not be feasible to accomplish by global society.